I came to Dr. Mandelaris and I had dentures at that time from Germany, and something was broken, so I was always fixing stuff. I was not very confident when I went in restaurants and all that stuff, so I think it's time to do it. And then I said, okay, make an appointment. So my wife, we made an appointment with her dentist in Chicago, Dr. Fraser. So we went there, he checked everything. Then he said, okay, there's something to do, but maybe you will think about implants. And for that, I can recommend Dr. Mandelaris because they work together in this field. And so, okay, make an appointment, and that's the way I came to Dr. Minton Ellis. We had a meeting with him, several meetings. He told us exactly what he wants to do in detail. It talks always hours. And then he said, you need 10 implants, 6 here, 4 here. When I woke up, I looked in the mirror, I said, hey, I have my teeth. I have not really pain, but now I'm so convinced it was the right thing to do. The biggest outcome is that I'm much more self-confident, give you a great feeling back in the field that you can go to restaurants with a big smile and eat something. That's really cool. Everybody said, Manfred, you have great teeth. I will not tell them that's implants, but it looks like great. So this gives you a good feeling.